Nowadays, everyone knows that having a portfolio is essential for landing a job. A portfolio showcases your projects online, and Behance offers a free platform to display your work. You can share the link to your Behance profile with hiring managers to highlight your portfolio. In today's video, we'll learn how to upload a project on Behance. Open any web browser and search behance.net. Wait for the website to load completely. In the top right corner, locate the Share Your Work button. Hover over it to reveal a drop-down menu, then select Project from the options. After clicking on Project, you'll see options such as images, text files, post grids, videos, embedded content, Lightroom, prototype, and 3D. Let me show you how to upload an image. Click on the Image button and select the image you want to showcase. A menu will open where you can name your image, specify the software used to create it, and choose at least 3 relevant categories. Then, set the visibility to everyone. If the post contains any adult content, make sure to select the appropriate option. Once everything is set, click the Published button, and your post will go live. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.